Hi, and welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to start personal attendant services in West Virginia. Personal Attendant Service. Enable independent living for eligible adults by providing hands-on, non-medical support with activities of daily living ADLs, such as bathing, grooming, and meal preparation, within the comfort of their own homes. To launch, follow this startup checklist. First, business setup. Register with the WV Secretary of State and secure a Type 2 NPI. You must hold fidelity bonding and liability insurance to protect your staff and clients. State authorization. Apply through the Bureau for Medical Services, now operating under the restructured Department of Human Services. Your primary target will be the Aged and Disabled Waiver, ADDW. Clinical oversight. You are required to hire or contract a West Virginia licensed registered nurse, RN. In 2026, the RN's role is critical. They must conduct the initial assessment and develop the service plan within 7 days of the referral, plus perform ongoing supervisory visits. Next, staffing and compliance. All attendants must clear the WV Cares fingerprint-based background check. EVV integration. West Virginia strictly mandates electronic visit verification, EVV, for all pass. You must use the state's approved vendor, HaxChange, or a compatible open model third-party system to record start-end times and GPS locations to ensure billing accuracy. Finally, payer enrollment. Enroll as a Medicaid provider through Gainwell Technologies. In 2026, you must ensure your system captures the rendering provider's individual NPI on every claim to prevent automatic denials. By combining compassionate, hands-on care with strict adherence to EVV and RN oversight, your agency will help West Virginia seniors and adults with disabilities maintain their dignity and independence at home. Waiver Consulting Group manages your DOHS/ADW application, RN-led policy development, and Gainwell enrollment to ensure your agency is fully authorized for Medicaid. We provide audit-ready intake packets, 2026 compliant EVV training guides, and RN supervision templates to streamline your launch. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to start your journey today.